Hey guys, JD here with the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS. Today we're going to be looking at the Ultra deck and installing the Kawasaki genuine tie-down accessory onto the multi-mount system rails. I also have a really nice brand new Engel 35 cooler that I'm going to show you how to install on the back here. It's really easy, it looks great, and let's get to it. So the first step is you're going to have to remove these plastic inserts that are in the rails. These just come from the factory to prevent any debris from getting in there, or you can leave them inserted if you're not using the rails. The first step in installing these tie downs is to remove these little brackets at each end. You're going to do that with a 5mm Allen wrench. And those pop right up like that. And then the multi-mount rails, we have this really nice anodized aluminum block. You can see it's real solid, good quality. That slides into the rail right like that. You could put 1 or 2 or even 3 on each side. Hell, you could put 4 if you really want. I only bought a single kit and that came with 2. And then I said, oh, maybe I should have bought a second kit. I went back and of course they're back ordered, so the single kit it is for now. You put this piece back in place, put your Allen back in, and tighten it down. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, and then we'll install the hardware to hold these tie downs in place. So you're going to add a lock washer and a washer, those come with the kit. You're going to position that in place like so, and go ahead and drop your new bolts in the top. Those also use a 5mm Allen. And now we're just going to position these. You can see the cooler includes these mounting points right here, so we kind of want to roughly match those up. Now here I've got a set. These are just generic stainless steel marine grade cooler tie down straps. So let's get these attached and then we'll torque down the tie down brackets where we want them and we'll be on our way. So I just wanted to share with you guys the final result here. We've got our anodized multi-mount points secured. We've got our cooler straps secured. There's plenty of room on the back of the Ultra deck here. I think probably about a foot almost. Again, thank you to my beautiful wife for getting me this cooler for Father's Day. If you're watching, I really appreciate it. She overheard me say I wanted a cooler for the back of this, and before I could buy one, well, she beat me to it. It's real sturdy on here with just these multi-mount points. No need for a big heavy rack. Just these 2 straps and the Kawasaki tie-down kit. I believe with the kit and the straps, you're probably going to spend about $65, plus the cost of the cooler. So it's fairly cheap to use the mounting system here on the new Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more Kawasaki content.